had been any other year, all the students who are going to get admission in colleges, they must be busy shopping for new dresses and all these things. But this year they are waiting for the notifications from the Delhi University or from their colleges, like how to start their session. So hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So you must be thinking ki why am I telling you all these things, because today is 17th of November and tomorrow is 18th of November. Definitely that dates matters a lot for all of you, because you have got this information by the university that your session for undergraduate courses is going to start from 18th of November. So finally that date is just around the corner, tomorrow only, and you guys are wondering कि कल से session start होना है, but कैसे होना है, क्या होना है, कुछ नहीं पता. So don't worry, I'm going to provide some guidance in this video. Watch it till last, don't skip it in between, because here what are we going to share, that is very important. So guys, about ki what is going to happen, how are your classes going to start. So one thing is definitely 100% sure that your classes are going to be online, right? Online होनी है, सबको पता है. तो but how, कैसे, बहुत बड़ा question आ रहा है. Okay, one more thing I want to tell here. I know that as soon as this video will be out, I'll again get so many comments from sports and ECA quota students, because they are waiting badly for their merit list. But I'm sorry, I'm not able to provide any complete information related to that, because all of you know that COVID is going on, and even Delhi University itself has mentioned on its website that they are going to delay certain things because of this COVID, because many of the employees of DU are also affected with COVID. So guys, you have to have patience, means there's no other way. Like, we can understand your anxiety, your curiosity, but nobody can help it. So only one thing is there, that you better get busy in something else. You'll just instead of getting worried about this thing, you keep yourself busy in some other things. That is the only way. So now let's discuss about the new session that is going to start from tomorrow. So one thing is here, first of all, definitely whenever the new session begins, before that there is an orientation held by all the colleges. So this year we know that it will definitely be online, because earlier it used to be offline, where students were invited along with their parents. It used to be a very grand function sort of thing, but this year it will be online. So how will it be conducted and how to join this orientation program, this also you need to know. Actually you have to contact your colleges. Means some of the colleges might have sent this mail to their students that on this particular date your orientation program will be held. Some might not have held. So those who have got mails from the colleges, please write in the comment box so that others also come to know. As I keep on telling you that you guys have to help each other. तो जिसको अपने कॉलेज से कोई भी नोटिफिकेशन या मेल आ गया है ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम का, प्लीज मेंशन इट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स, राइट? एंड यू कैन जॉइन टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ऑल्सो. देयर also students are getting connected. You can meet the students of your classes also. But one thing is there, one thing I want to say, that on that telegram group we have observed that some students are just talking about their personal issues and they are discussing other matters except this admission process and all. Please do not do that, because that is an official group only to discuss the things related to Delhi University, right? I hope you guys will understand this thing. So link of that telegram group is given in the description box. So now if you haven't got orientation notification, then also you need not worry, because it may be delayed 1 or 2 days. It's not necessary कि कल ही आपका स्टार्ट हो जाएंगी क्लासेस. इट मे बी डिलेड फॉर 1 or 2 days. अगर आपको ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम का नोटिफिकेशन आ गया है तो वेल एंड गुड, be prepared for that. You have to join it at the designated time. If it hasn't come, it will come to you soon, right? So the thing is that you have to contact the helpline number of that college where you have got admission, or you have to check the website of your college, right? It may be कि personal emails ना हो तो website पे भी information मिल जाएगी. So now what will be held in that orientation program? So that is very important. So first day when you will join your college, that will be the official first day of your joining. So in that orientation program, actually you will be made aware about all the things related to your college, your syllabus, your curriculum, your teachers, your libraries, and you can say there may be some virtual campus visit also. So these things are going to be held, so you may get excited for them, because there is not much to get excited this year, but don't worry, everything will be fine. And I'll make one more video related to this thing, how to take this thing positively, right? So for time being, you have to now think about the orientation program. So here you will be introduced to everything. And one more thing is there, that as I have read about the comments of the principals of some colleges, like Lady Sri Ram College principal, she said that they are getting ready for these virtual classes, means all the teachers are being provided training, and moreover students will be given e-material, right? And you will be given this complete information, like how your classes will be held and what to do during those classes and all these things. And one more thing I have come to know, that Rajdhani College, they are going to open partially for science students. Means that the principal of Rajdhani College has said that classes are going to start offline also for some students who have to appear in their practical exams. So that is one very important information. So those who have. So one more thing is there, that in this orientation program, students will be told about the various societies of the college, and their online demos, or you can say means their online selection process will also be held there. And you will be asked to present something. It may take few days, it may not be one day process. So all these things will be held in your orientation program, so you should get excited for this. I hope all of you will enjoy this process. So everything is new, but you have to take it positively. So see you in my next video. So best of luck all of you. And again I'm telling you, if you have got any information about the orientation program of your college, leave a comment so that others can also come to know. And if you have not still subscribed to Kingdom of Learning, do it fast, and don't forget to like the